Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade weight vest for increasing the difficulty of body weight exercises when you're working out. So basically what I just did here was I was lucky enough to find a horse riding vest, which is meant to be like a vest that protects you from falling off a horse. It was at an op shop, an SPCA op shop I believe, and it was pretty cheap. It was only about $10. And then I just got some bags of sand, and this thing is pretty heavy. It's not super heavy in terms of how much weight vests can be, but this is about 13 kgs and it's just bags of sand. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and just taken the back off of this horse riding vest. It comes with a bunch of padding in, and I just left that in just to make it more comfortable. And I don't know if you can sort of see that. It's kind of a bit hard to see if I just rip the velcro off here. I just filled up a bunch of little baggies, little plastic bags with sand from under the house, and it works. It's pretty good weight. These are fairly heavy, and yeah, I think there's about 7 bags of sand in here, so that's a decent amount of weight. 13 kgs is quite a bit to be wearing for a weight vest. But yeah, that's how you basically make a homemade weight vest. Not a very in-depth tutorial. You could use other things for like a more improvised one. One option would be to just get a backpack and fill it with rocks or sand or something heavy. I was originally, ages and ages ago, using steel plates, but this particular vest couldn't really handle that, and the steel plates ripped a hole right through the bottom of the back of this chest piece here. But yeah, just a quick video on homemade improvised weight vest for training. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.